Today I am Shireen Bilal from Damascus, Syria. I live here in Estonia, and today we will cook from my culture food. It's named like maqloubat baqlajan. It's very tasty, and with me and come we will see how we will cook. The first we need chicken, and we will use the basmati rice. You can find in the India shop or some marketing. Important for this food we use the baqlajan, this Maggi. I like with vegetables taste. Cardamom, most pepper, and anise, curcum, and cinnamon, salt, and nuts, and you can choose any nuts you like it. For chicken like goose loke and sibol, and oil, 2 spoon oil, with cinnamon, with curcum, cardamom, soup, this one. And now we will cook the baqlajan. You can put little oil, and you can put in oven if you don't need so much fat. Here, cork and garlic, dry mint, it's like thank you for Estonia. We will go and we wash this rice. Big spoon oil. We will put one. Little bit curcum, salt, most pepper. We put like cinnamon, curcum, most pepper, sibol powder, garlic powder, little nuts, and raisin. Okay, now we have the rice ready, chicken ready, baqlajan ready, and we need to show you how we will over this food in the table. And some baqlajan, little bit rice, maqlouba, it's meaning like turn in Arabic. And now we will make some music. You are ready? 1, 2, 3.